everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 7th through the 13th in my Recollections planner. Forgot daylight savings time. All right, anyway, I'm using this kit from Sheepy. I think it's called Galaxy, but I think it's super cute. I do have a couple extra boxes. This one is in Korean. I don't read or speak Korean, so I'll probably skip that box. And then I'm not sure which other one I'm going to skip. I might skip the black one just because it's kind of darker vibes than everything else, but we'll see. I might end up just throwing something in the sidebar or cutting it up or something like that. But this is kind of all my functionals. I did pull some washi as well. I pulled these two from AliExpress, these two from Dollar Tree, and then these two from Amazon. So I've got like a good mixture. My plan is to use these two as the bottom washi, and then I'm kind of feeling this geometric one as my top washi. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stick all of these things down. I think I'm going to stick the washi in this order. I'm going to stick all these things down and stick down this weekend banner, and then I'll come back so that we can do all of the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we currently stand. Already looking cute. I didn't bother to white anything out down here because literally you can't tell through these really dark washies. In terms of the full boxes, I do feel like they kind of pair up. I think these two, and these two all go together. And then these three are kind of like the wild card ones as a whole. I might actually keep the black one in here after all and use it as my quote box because, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it now that I've put the black washi at the bottom. I kind of like the vibes it's giving off, you know? This particular kit, because of the way it's set up, everything is like so close together, so all the scrippy scraps are going to be everywhere, and we're just going to have to deal with it as best we can. So I'm going to stick that one there. And then I think I'm going to put this really bright pink and orange. It's orange and yellow, whatever colors these are. I think I'm going to throw this one as my middle right here. All right, and then I kind of want to divide them up. I think I want to do these kind of two bluey purple ones next. I feel like we need like two calm ones as the next two that I pair up, because I don't want like all the intense colors to be by each other, you know? Anyway, I think I'm going to stick them in this way. One there. One there. Then I want to do the other two kind of more saturated ones. Again, I don't really feel like which order these go in matter that much. So I guess we'll just stick them in the order they were on the sheet. There we go. Oops. Okay, and then this one is going to go here. And this one is going to go over here, which leaves the one in Korean, and then this kind of like pink and yellow one, which I feel like is a very easy one to use as a leftover if I don't use it. We do have this little strip down here. I kind of want to use this purple one, I think. So I'm just going to throw this skinny washi down here at the bottom. Like so, just to kind of fill that space, and do my like standard trim the little scrippy scraps strategy. I feel like this is really cute washi, and it'll kind of like mix it up a little bit. Also, I just really want to use more purple because I like purple, and I feel like it's not used in kits that often, actually. But I think it's good. It's gonna look cute. And it's definitely very space themed. I feel like I'm just rambling, but whatever. So for this week, I mostly just have like appointments and then like my regular doings. Not a lot of like super special activities or anything like that. Just getting some things done. Over the weekend, we might go pick up some Hauntashen since Purim comes the following week. We'll have to see. I don't know. I don't have any like strong plans. To start out with, for the sidebar, I think I'm going to use both habit trackers just because I can. I totally just apparently forgot to cut some of these. I apparently forgot to cut the bottom of some of these, so that's special. And I'm just going to go through and do that right now. Is doing it on top of my planner the best idea? No. Am I doing this anyway? Apparently. So I'm going to stick down both the habit trackers because I can. There's one, and the other one. One will be for Pepper's teeth because that's always my like constant battle. And then I think the other one I'm going to use is for self-care, I think will probably be the other one. So I'm going to stick down the hydrate box, and then I'm also going to stick down this next week box, but I'm going to trim it a little bit short. If I could get the right angle, this would be really helpful. I like don't want to set down the sticker because then it's going to not work very well, right? There we go. I have like one extra little guy, which I might end up throwing somewhere. We'll see. But in the meantime, there's my sidebar. Okay, for the weekly plans, I am going to use all of these little flags to mark work. I'm just going to kind of intermix them. I don't really have any grand plans about what order they're going in or anything like that, but just kind of dividing up the colors a little bit, things like that. Okay, stick that in. Those don't go straight across, but I don't really care. Next up, I have my videos. Do I want to use a video sticker? I'm going to actually skip the video sticker. I'm just going to use two of these guys. Maybe I'll just use these really bright ones here. Let me just trim them a little bit. I'm going to stick one here for my plan with me. And then my other one is going to go on Friday for my other video. The cutting didn't go great because everything was so close together, but it's fine. So let me pull these off and stick them on my hand as well. And then I think I can just be done with this for now. And this will cover all the extras that I need to do like the actual day-to-day planning. So I'm going to set all of that stuff aside. That's all I have for Monday. Tuesday is going to be a little bit busy. I'm going to start out by marking and curling. These are the Prairie Planner stickers that you guys are all familiar with. So I'm going to stick that in right there. And then above that, I have a dentist appointment. So I'm going to take, I think I'm going to use this one. These are from Chasing Shells. I'm just going to stick this guy in right there. there we go. That pretty well covers my Tuesday. I don't know what else is going to happen, but that's all that stuff. It's gonna cover all of that. Wednesday, I have a haircut scheduled. Dave might also have an ambulance shift, but that's still up in the air. I have this Creative Cavern Studio little haircut guy. I'm gonna stick this one right here. There we go. So that's kind of the first half of the week. On the second half, I want to stick down the flags for work. Thursday, I have a curling match again. And then Friday, I'm going to stick in this one for my video. And that's pretty much what I have for those days. I don't think I have anything else figured out at this point. So this is where we stand right now on the pre-planning. It's looking a little more full than some of these weeks have been lately, but I think it's also looking pretty cute. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. There's a little bit of foiling, not a ton. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk there. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Counting Sheepy. I do still have a few bits left over, which I'm going to throw in my leftover stack and can use at some point in the future. So this washi along the top, this is from Dollar Tree. These two bottom washies are from AliExpress, and then this really skinny one is from Amazon. This is a leftover from my shop, a leftover from Plannerology Studio, and a leftover from My Planner Life UK. This is Chasing Chels, the Prairie Planner. This comes from the back of one of my old Recollections books, like planner books. Creative Cavern Studio, Wonton a Million with Craftsmith, Prairie Planner, My Planner Life UK. This is a leftover. My guess is from Planner One Love, but I'm not totally certain on that one. A leftover from my shop, a leftover from Plannerology Studio, a leftover, I believe, from my shop as well, Creative Cavern Studio, a leftover from, I'm not even sure where on that one. This is from Wonton a Million with Craftsmith. I used a gold marker here. It's this Crayola gold ingot marker there. It didn't write that well on this because of the ink, well, the toner from my printer, but I think it's legible. This is from Creative Cavern Studio, a leftover from My Planner Life UK. This is from an Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby, and then this is another Amazon skinny washi. And that's all I have. So I think it turned out super cute and colorful and definitely a fun anytime spread. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how you're handling the spring forward change for daylight savings time. It is always super rough for me. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show my in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show bits and pieces of what I'm reading, other things going on in my life, and all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.